Hey guys, we're up at Cantex North American headquarters. I'm here today with David. We're taking a look at the Leadermac 423. This thing, if you're ever considering a Weinig Cube, this machine, you need to take a look at it. David, tell me about this machine.
Yeah, so this is based off of our Leadermac platform. So it is a 4-head, 9-inch width capacity unit. And this actually has the addition of our Quick Set series now. So essentially what we've done is we have automated it with the Smart Set level of controls. And what this unit has been designed to do is specifically combat the Weinig Cube. It hit the market several years ago and was promoted quite heavily. And essentially what that unit is designed for is random width S4S. So you can put down your material and it'll take it to the dimension that you're looking to do. So we saw that platform and we said, okay, what can we do and how can we do it better? So what we're looking at here is our unit actually provides you with several options. You can put any width of material on there and you can tell it that I'd like to take off X amount off of each aspect, regardless of how wide or thick that piece of material is, within that 9 inches by 5.5 inch scope. The second option is that you can tell the machine, I want all of the sticks to come out the same dimension. So that laser is going to be able to identify that, yes, this is within the scope. We can hog off that amount of material. So it's all going to come out as a 1x2 or whatever it is that you've asked it to do. Now, the greatest feature on this unit is that it is also a fully capable profiling unit. So while your first bottom is always going to be a helical style planing head, you are able to do profiling on your inside vertical, your outside vertical, and your single top head as well. So the versatility on this unit is absolutely phenomenal.
That's something, a feature that you guys got to look at. If you're getting into a molder, you need to be able to do profiling on more sides. Good option for you here. Take a look into the inside here. David, what's the sticker starting at on this base configuration?
Yeah, so this unit right now, you are looking at about the $90,000 price point, which is very comparable to our competition. And that does include your startup and training as well. So you'll have a technician there for 2 to 3 days, getting you started up, making sure everything's calibrated and that your operators are completely comfortable on entering in any of the parameters in that Smart Set 100 system.
So guys, if you're doing S4S and you ever think you might want to do profiling, this is the unit you need to give a good look at. Give us a call, AW Machinery. We'd love to talk to you about this unit, tell you what features are on it, and we can configure it for you. Give us a call, AW Machinery, Apple Creek, Ohio. Thanks, David.